Hi! In front of me is Nokia C12 and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps. First of all, you need to install your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In those settings, tap on Apps section, scroll down just a bit and click on Default Apps. Now tap on one of those options to change your chosen default app, in my case browser. Lastly, just click on the one that you wish to apply. So now when I click on Firefox and go back, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!